This is Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar, type in Opera. Well, as you can see, in my particular case, the Play Store decided to suddenly shut itself down. But I will quickly relaunch the app. So back to what I was saying, type in the Opera at the search bar. Once the needed app is found, you gotta click at the green install button and let the Opera app get downloaded and installed respectively. So I would assume that I have I have some apps that are being currently updated, which pushes the Opera installation back a little. So I will cancel all the updates and try to restart the download process and see if that will help. Now let's go ahead and launch it. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So first tap at the continue button over here, then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser. You can also get the preposition to enable notifications for Opera, so if you're not interested in that, you can just skip this step. And in here at this final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.